Imagine discovering a substance so densely packed with life that gram for gram it contains more nutrients than almost any other natural food. A substance older than human civilization, capable of thriving in extreme environments, and yet gentle enough to support the most delicate systems inside the human body. Spirulina is not just a supplement, it is a living blueprint of survival, regeneration, and cellular intelligence. In its microscopic coils, scientists have found pigments that behave like shields, proteins that act like molecular repair tools, and compounds that interact with our cells in ways that are still being uncovered. What you're about to hear is not simply a list of benefits, but a deep exploration into how this ancient organism influences human longevity at almost every biological level. From the energy factories inside your cells, to the inflammation pathways that determine how young or old you feel, to the antioxidant networks that defend your DNA against daily damage. Spirulina has become one of the most studied superfoods of the modern era, and the more researchers look into it, the more it reveals mechanisms that seem almost engineered for long-term vitality. Spirulina enters the body as a complete source of highly bioavailable nutrients. And the first thing modern science highlights is its extraordinary protein structure. This isn't ordinary protein. It is already broken down into easily absorbable amino acids that feed your muscles, your brain chemistry, and your immune cells with almost no digestive effort. This matters for longevity because the body becomes less efficient at absorbing nutrients as we age, and spirulina bypasses that problem with natural efficiency. Inside this microscopic algae is one of the richest sources of phycocyanin ever found in nature. A deep blue antioxidant that has generated intense scientific interest due to its effects on inflammation, cellular protection, and stem cell support. Researchers have found that phycocyanin interacts with oxidative stress pathways in a way that reduces the very molecular damage linked to aging. In the first moments after consuming spirulina, its pigments begin shifting antioxidant activity in the bloodstream. Phycocyanin helps neutralize free radicals before they can injure cell membranes or DNA, while carotenoids like beta-carotene support eye health and cellular regeneration. This is one of the reasons spirulina is often studied in the context of healthy aging. It provides pigments that behave like natural internal filters, buffering the body against environmental stressors. The high concentration of chlorophyll further supports detoxification, helping the liver process metabolic waste more efficiently. This doesn't mean spirulina detoxes the body in a dramatic way. Rather, it enhances the systems already responsible for clearing harmful byproducts, making them work with less strain. As spirulina circulates, its B vitamins, minerals, and amino acids begin influencing energy metabolism. Many people describe a clean, steady energy after taking spirulina, not the stimulation of caffeine, but the feeling of cells working more efficiently. This effect is backed by studies showing spirulina's role in supporting mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are essential for longevity because they determine how much energy each cell can make and how much oxidative stress that process creates. Spirulina promotes a more efficient balance, supporting energy production while reducing the byproducts that contribute to cellular aging. What makes spirulina especially fascinating in modern longevity science is its impact on chronic inflammation, the slow, silent process, now understood as a key driver of accelerated aging. Spirulina interacts directly with inflammatory cytokines and appears to modulate the immune system instead of overstimulating it. This means it helps maintain balance, supporting immune readiness without pushing the body into unnecessary inflammation. Studies exploring spirulina's effect on natural killer cells, macrophages, and antibody production highlight a unique adaptogenic behavior, giving support where the immune system is weak while calming it where it is overactive. Even more intriguing is spirulina's influence on brain health. The combination of iron, B vitamins, omega-type fatty acids, and antioxidants provides a foundation for cognitive support. Phycocyanin shows promise in protecting neurons from oxidative stress, while spirulina's phenolic compounds support healthy blood flow to the brain. Researchers have explored its potential in preserving memory, sharpening focus, and supporting long-term neurological resilience. The brain is one of the first organs to show signs of aging, and spirulina's nutrient density creates a protective environment that helps sustain clarity and cognitive endurance over time. Spirulina also affects metabolic health, which plays a central role in determining lifespan quality. Studies have shown improvements in lipid profiles, reduced oxidation of LDL cholesterol, and support for healthy blood sugar levels. These are not superficial changes. They influence long-term risks associated with cardiovascular strain and metabolic imbalances. Spirulina provides compounds that help the body maintain stable internal rhythms, reducing stress on organs that work continuously throughout life. And then there is spirulina's ability to support detoxification from metals such as arsenic or lead. This has been demonstrated in several regions where spirulina-assisted protocols were used for populations exposed to environmental contaminants. The chelating properties of spirulina do not act aggressively, but instead bind gently to harmful substances, allowing the body to process and remove them more efficiently. Because heavy metals accelerate oxidative stress, any reduction in their burden contributes significantly to longevity. This is only the beginning. Spirulina's role in gut health, skin regeneration, hormonal balance, immune modulation, athletic performance, cellular repair, and even gene expression is still unfolding. Each of these pathways plays a direct role in how effectively the body ages, how resilient it remains, and how rapidly it can recover from everyday stressors. Spirulina is a microscopic organism with macroscopic effects, and the deeper you go into its science, the more it becomes clear why it has captured the attention of researchers worldwide. As spirulina continues interacting with different systems in the body, one of the most important areas it influences is the gut. The gut is deeply connected to every aspect of longevity, from immunity to mood regulation, and spirulina provides both nourishment and protection at the microbial level. It acts as a prebiotic source, supporting beneficial bacterial populations while reducing the presence of harmful strains. Studies have observed that spirulina can improve the balance of intestinal flora, strengthening the gut barrier and reducing the leakage of inflammatory molecules into the bloodstream. This gut-level resilience is essential for long-term health because chronic, low-grade inflammation often begins in the digestive system. By improving microbial diversity and supporting a stronger intestinal lining, spirulina helps the body maintain stability in a place where many age-related issues quietly begin. Another key factor in the longevity equation is cellular repair. Spirulina contains nucleic acids, enzymes, and trace minerals that contribute directly to the body's natural repair processes. These components support the synthesis of proteins that rebuild tissues, repair damaged DNA, and maintain the structural integrity of cells. This is why spirulina is sometimes described as cellular fuel. Its amino acids are rapidly absorbed, providing building blocks for growth and regeneration, while antioxidants protect the cell during this repair process. Healthy cells replicate more smoothly and with fewer errors, which is crucial for maintaining vitality as the years pass. When cells experience less oxidative damage and have ample resources for recovery, the entire organism functions more efficiently. One of the often overlooked aspects of spirulina is its ability to support detoxification at the cellular level, not just within the liver. Spirulina's polysaccharides help the body process metabolic waste more efficiently, and its high chlorophyll content supports the natural cleansing functions of the blood. This internal clarity contributes to overall energy, as the body spends less effort dealing with toxic burdens and more effort on maintaining optimal performance. Modern research also shows that spirulina can bind to certain pollutants, making them easier for the body to eliminate. In an age where environmental exposure is nearly impossible to avoid, any natural compound that reduces oxidative load becomes especially relevant for longevity. Beyond internal systems, spirulina also has a noticeable impact on physical performance, which is closely tied to how well the body ages. Athletes often use spirulina to support endurance, stamina, and recovery because of its high concentration of protein, antioxidants, and essential minerals. Scientific studies show that spirulina improves oxygen uptake, reduces muscle inflammation after exercise, and enhances the body's ability to generate ATP, the energy currency that fuels every movement. These improvements are not only beneficial for athletes, they help maintain mobility and strength as individuals grow older. The ability to move comfortably, recover quickly, and stay active is one of the strongest predictors of longevity, and spirulina contributes to this by nourishing the systems that support movement and energy production. Spirulina also supports cardiovascular health, which is crucial for long-term vitality. It assists in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, helps reduce the oxidation of LDL particles, and supports flexible, resilient blood vessels. These effects work together to promote smoother circulation and reduced strain on the heart. Instead of acting as a stimulant, spirulina supports natural energy levels through improved blood flow and mitochondrial function. Good circulation ensures that nutrients, oxygen, and antioxidants reach every corner of the body efficiently, creating an internal environment that supports healthy aging. An interesting area of research focuses on spirulina's ability to support healthy blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar is essential not just for daily well-being, but also for long-term metabolic health. Fluctuations in glucose can accelerate aging by increasing oxidative stress and inflammation, but spirulina has shown consistent effects in smoothing these fluctuations. Its proteins, fiber-like components, and antioxidant activity all play a role in supporting balanced glucose metabolism. This stability contributes to mental clarity, steady energy, and a reduced load on the pancreas over time. Another remarkable aspect of spirulina is its mineral density, especially its iron content. Unlike many plant sources, spirulina contains iron that is highly bioavailable, meaning the body can absorb it easily. This is especially important for individuals with low iron levels or those who struggle with fatigue. Iron supports the formation of healthy red blood cells, which transport oxygen throughout the body. When oxygen delivery is efficient, every organ functions more effectively. Spirulina's iron works synergistically with its B vitamins to support vitality, concentration, and overall endurance. In addition to its mineral profile, spirulina contains gamma-linolenic acid, a rare fatty acid associated with hormonal balance, cognitive function, and skin health. This fatty acid, combined with spirulina's antioxidants, supports healthy inflammatory responses at the skin level, contributes to smoother cell turnover, and may help reduce the appearance of age-related skin changes. Healthy skin is a visible reflection of internal balance, and spirulina provides nutrients that help maintain elasticity, clarity, and hydration from within. Spirulina's influence also extends to immune modulation. Instead of boosting the immune system indiscriminately, which can cause imbalance, spirulina helps regulate the body's natural defense mechanisms. This means it supports the immune system when needed while preventing unnecessary inflammatory responses. This adaptive behavior helps maintain long-term immune efficiency, avoiding both weakness and overactivity. Studies have shown that spirulina enhances antibody production, supports natural killer cell activity, and strengthens the body's response to environmental stressors. A stable immune system is a cornerstone of longevity, and spirulina plays a significant role in keeping that system balanced. As spirulina continues to circulate through the body, its antioxidants help protect the eyes from oxidative stress, Its high content of zeaxanthin and beta-carotene supports retinal health and helps the eyes remain resilient against age-related decline. Clear vision contributes to quality of life and independence, and spirulina provides pigments that help preserve this sense over time. This combination of nutrient density, antioxidant strength, metabolic support, and cellular protection makes spirulina one of the most comprehensive longevity foods ever studied. Its benefits reach deep into the foundation of human physiology, influencing the very processes that determine how slowly or quickly the body ages. And as we continue exploring its effects, even more pathways begin to emerge, connecting spirulina not only to health maintenance but also to enhanced recovery, improved resilience, and long-term cellular harmony. Spirulina's impact reaches deeper when we look at how it interacts with oxidative stress, one of the primary forces behind aging. Every cell in the body produces reactive oxygen species as a natural part of metabolism, but when these molecules accumulate faster than the body can neutralize them, they begin damaging DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. Spirulina contains a uniquely powerful antioxidant network that helps counter this imbalance. Phycocyanin, one of its most studied compounds, directly inhibits oxidative reactions, while carotenoids, chlorophyll, and phenolic acids work together to strengthen the body's overall defense system. This multi-layered antioxidant activity is central to spirulina's reputation as a longevity-supporting food because oxidative stress is a key driver in almost every chronic condition associated with aging. Another area where spirulina demonstrates significant influence is the liver. The liver is responsible for processing toxins, metabolizing nutrients, and regulating energy balance. Spirulina provides nutrients that support enzymes involved in detoxification, while also protecting liver cells from oxidative damage. Studies show improvements in liver enzyme markers, suggesting that spirulina helps maintain healthy liver function over time. Because the liver plays such a central role in maintaining internal balance, any food that supports its resilience contributes directly to long-term vitality. Spirulina's high concentration of essential amino acids also supports hormonal balance, which becomes increasingly important as people age. Hormones regulate everything from metabolism to mood, and imbalances can accelerate the aging process. By providing building blocks for neurotransmitters and hormone-related proteins, spirulina helps maintain smoother communication throughout the endocrine system. This translates into steadier energy, more stable mood, and better metabolic control. The presence of gamma-linolenic acid further assists in supporting healthy hormonal responses, which contributes to emotional stability and overall well-being. Another compelling area of research examines spirulina's ability to support neurological longevity. The brain is incredibly vulnerable to oxidative stress due to its high oxygen consumption, and spirulina's antioxidants help buffer this vulnerability. Phycocyanin appears to protect neurons from inflammatory damage, while spirulina's iron, B vitamins, and essential fatty acids support healthy neurotransmitter synthesis. Some studies suggest that spirulina promotes healthier communication between neurons, contributing to memory stability and cognitive sharpness. Maintaining clarity of thought, stable focus, and a resilient brain are all critical pillars of longevity, and spirulina offers nutrients that directly support these functions. Spirulina also supports bone health through its mineral composition, including calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and trace elements essential for bone formation. While spirulina is not a replacement for direct calcium sources, its minerals and anti-inflammatory effects support the overall environment required for preserving bone density. Because bone health naturally declines with age, spirulina's contribution to reducing inflammation and improving nutrient status helps maintain structural strength. A lesser-known but important benefit of spirulina is its potential effect on stem cell activity. Some research suggests that spirulina's bioactive compounds may encourage healthier renewal of certain cell populations by reducing oxidative stress around stem cells. Stem cells are responsible for generating new tissues and supporting recovery, and their functionality is a major determining factor in how well the body ages. By protecting the cellular environment, spirulina helps preserve the regenerative capacity that naturally declines with age. Immune resilience is another crucial component of longevity, and spirulina continues to stand out in this area. It supports the production of antibodies and enhances the efficiency of white blood cells, helping the body respond more effectively to everyday challenges. At the same time, spirulina's regulatory effects help prevent unnecessary inflammatory responses, keeping the immune system balanced and efficient. This balance is incredibly important because chronic inflammation accelerates aging, while immune weakness leaves the body vulnerable. Spirulina helps preserve the middle ground, where the immune system is strong yet controlled. Skin health, often overlooked in longevity discussions, is significantly influenced by spirulina's nutritional profile. The skin is constantly exposed to environmental stressors, and oxidative damage is one of the primary causes of premature aging. Spirulina's antioxidants help support collagen integrity, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and encourage smoother cell turnover. Its essential fatty acids contribute to hydration and softness, while its vitamins support natural repair processes. Healthy, resilient skin not only reflects internal well-being, but also serves as a powerful barrier that protects the body from external stress. Another fascinating area of spirulina research focuses on its potential to support healthy gene expression. Some studies suggest that spirulina's antioxidants can influence the way certain genes respond to stress, reducing the activation of pathways associated with accelerated aging. While this research is still emerging, it highlights the complexity of spirulina's effects and its potential involvement in deeper biological processes that support long-term vitality. Spirulina also assists with healthy weight management, not through aggressive mechanisms, but through natural metabolic support. Its high protein content encourages satiety, while its nutrients support insulin sensitivity and stable energy levels. When blood sugar is stable, cravings decrease, and energy becomes more predictable. These changes help maintain a healthy metabolism, reduce strain on the pancreas, and support long-term health in a sustainable way. The microbiome benefits further reinforce spirulina's importance in longevity. A diverse gut environment influences immunity, mood, digestion, and even the production of certain vitamins. Spirulina supports beneficial bacteria while helping reduce oxidative stress in the gut lining. This creates a stronger, more resilient digestive system, which then supports the rest of the body's systems more efficiently. One of the final layers in spirulina's longevity profile is its ability to reduce systemic stress markers. Chronic stress accelerates aging by increasing inflammation, raising cortisol levels, and weakening immune responses. Spirulina's nutrient density supports adrenal balance, while its antioxidants help buffer cellular stress. Combined with its effects on circulation, oxygenation, and mitochondrial efficiency, spirulina contributes to a calmer internal environment, where the body can focus on repair rather than constant defense. All of these layers, antioxidant power, nutrient density, immune modulation, metabolic balance, gut health, brain support, and cellular resilience, show why spirulina remains one of the most intriguing natural tools in modern longevity science. It influences aging from multiple angles at once, not by forcing change, but by supporting the body's natural systems so they can function closer to their optimal state. As we move further into the science of spirulina and longevity, one of the most intriguing insights comes from how spirulina affects metabolic efficiency at the cellular level. Cells rely on a steady, balanced flow of nutrients to maintain optimal function, and spirulina provides those nutrients in highly concentrated and absorbable forms. This efficiency supports every layer of biological performance. When cells produce energy more cleanly and recover from daily stress more easily, the entire body ages more slowly. This isn't due to any exaggerated effect, but to consistent, subtle improvements in how the body handles stress, repairs damage, and distributes nutrients. Spirulina also provides unique polysaccharides that support the body's immune communication network. These compounds help immune cells recognize threats more accurately and coordinate their responses more effectively. This is another example of spirulina's regulatory effect, rather than overstimulation. A well-coordinated immune system prevents the type of chronic inflammation that gradually damages tissues over time. Reducing inflammatory load in this way helps protect joints, arteries, and organs from long-term strain. Many longevity researchers consider inflammation management one of the most important foundations of healthy aging, and spirulina contributes to that foundation through multiple nutrient pathways. As spirulina travels through the bloodstream, its broad spectrum of antioxidants helps stabilize free radicals before they accumulate. Over a lifetime, this constant buffering effect has a meaningful impact on long-term health. Damage to cell membranes, mitochondria, and DNA is reduced, which preserves function and slows the biological aging process. Spirulina's antioxidants are not isolated compounds, they work synergistically. Phycocyanin, beta-carotene, zeaxanthin, chlorophyll, and phenolic acids create overlapping layers of defense, supporting everything from cardiovascular strength to cognitive resilience. The cardiovascular benefits extend even further when we consider spirulina's impact on blood vessel health. Spirulina helps support nitric oxide production, promoting smoother blood flow and healthier vessel elasticity. This reduces physical strain on the heart and improves circulation to tissues that depend on steady oxygen and nutrient delivery. Good circulation is essential for longevity because it assists every organ system simultaneously. When blood vessels remain flexible and responsive, the risk of long-term cardiovascular decline decreases, and the body maintains its ability to function under everyday physical and emotional stress. Spirulina's contribution to eye health becomes even more important with age. Zeaxanthin and beta-carotene are key nutrients for protecting the retina, and spirulina provides both in highly concentrated amounts. These pigments help filter oxidative stress from light exposure and support long-term visual clarity. Stable vision enhances independence, confidence, and quality of life, making spirulina's support for eye health a notable part of its overall longevity profile. Another essential aspect of healthy aging is maintaining muscle mass, and spirulina contributes directly to this through its protein content. Muscle is not only important for strength, it is a metabolic organ that supports blood sugar stability, healthy weight, and physical resilience. Spirulina's amino acids help repair muscle tissue, support recovery after exertion, and encourage the preservation of lean mass over time. This becomes increasingly important as metabolism naturally slows with age. Spirulina's influence also reaches the endocrine system, especially in preserving a balanced stress response. Chronic stress accelerates aging by increasing inflammation and taxing the nervous system. Spirulina's nutrients support adrenal function, helping stabilize cortisol patterns and supporting smoother energy throughout the day. This reduces the internal wear and tear associated with long-term stress. A stable nervous system enhances sleep quality, mental focus, emotional resilience, and overall vitality. The mineral and trace element content of spirulina reinforces its longevity benefits even further. It contains magnesium for muscle relaxation and nerve stability, zinc for immune function and tissue repair, manganese for antioxidant enzyme activity, and copper for energy production. These minerals work together as cofactors in hundreds of biochemical reactions that maintain internal equilibrium. When these reactions run smoothly, aging slows because the body spends less time compensating for deficiencies and more time maintaining optimal function. Another important longevity factor is blood quality. Spirulina supports the production of healthy red blood cells through its iron, chlorophyll, and B vitamin content. This enhances oxygen delivery, which fuels every cellular process. Better oxygenation supports cognitive performance, stamina, and cellular repair. When the blood is efficiently delivering oxygen and nutrients, the entire body operates with less strain. Spirulina also contributes to long-term digestive strength. A healthy digestive system ensures that nutrients are absorbed efficiently and harmful byproducts are removed consistently. Spirulina helps protect the intestinal lining from oxidative stress, supports beneficial bacteria, and strengthens the gut barrier. Over time, this reduces inflammation, enhances immunity, and supports the internal balance necessary for longevity. The skin continues to reflect spirulina's internal benefits as well. When oxidative stress declines and nutrient status improves, the skin maintains its elasticity for longer. Spirulina's vitamins and amino acids support collagen integrity, helping the skin retain structure. Its antioxidants help protect against environmental damage, and its essential fatty acids support a smoother moisture barrier. Together, these effects contribute to youthful-looking skin that aligns with overall internal health. Spirulina also plays a role in supporting balanced appetite regulation. Its nutrient density helps stabilize hunger signals and provide steady energy, reducing the swings that often lead to overeating or fatigue. This balance supports healthier weight maintenance over time, which is strongly linked to improved longevity outcomes. Emerging research suggests spirulina may also influence mitochondrial biogenesis, the process of creating new mitochondria. Because mitochondria control energy production and play a major role in determining cellular lifespan, any nutritional support that encourages their renewal becomes highly relevant for longevity. Spirulina's antioxidant protection reduces mitochondrial damage, while its nutrient profile supports their efficient function. When we look at spirulina as a whole, it becomes clear why it is regarded as one of the most comprehensive, natural tools for supporting long-term health. It strengthens the gut, protects the liver, balances the immune system, supports brain function, enhances circulation, nourishes the mitochondria, stabilizes blood sugar, improves muscle recovery, supports hormonal communication, and reduces oxidative stress across multiple systems. Instead of acting through a single mechanism, spirulina supports the body through interconnected pathways that influence how efficiently and smoothly the body ages. Spirulina's role in longevity is not based on extreme claims, but on its consistent contribution to the body's ability to repair, defend, and function at its highest capacity. This microscopic organism carries a structural intelligence shaped by millions of years of adaptation. When incorporated into human nutrition, it offers tools that modern lifestyles often lack: dense nourishment, antioxidant resilience, metabolic stability, and cellular support. Taken regularly, spirulina becomes a steady, reliable presence that reinforces the body's natural ability to maintain health and vitality over the long term. This is why spirulina remains a central focus in conversations about nutritional longevity. It supports the systems that matter most, strengthens the foundations of biological youth, and helps the body maintain balance even under daily stress. As science continues unfolding the depth of its mechanisms, spirulina stands as one of the most fascinating examples of how a simple, natural substance can interact with human biology in ways that promote endurance, clarity, resilience, and long-lasting well-being.